The miracle tree that could treat many serious diseases. The moringa tree is a remarkably healthy plant with potent medicinal properties, due to the high amounts of protein, potassium, iron, fats, carotenoids, fiber, vitamin C, and nutrients it contains. Its leaves, roots, flowers, and bark, are commonly added to various kinds of cosmetic products, skin oils, and perfumes. Scientists have found that this plant has strong antibacterial, antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic properties, boosts the immune system and is a rich source of chemical compounds that support various biochemical activities in the body, including combating atherosclerosis and heart disease. It also detoxifies the body and eliminates waste, and fights bacteria that lead to ulcers, gastritis, and gastric cancer. Additionally, the moringa tree regulates the function of the thyroid and prevents thyroid disorders. The moringa seeds can be used as a potent way to cleanse water. The leaves are full of minerals, vitamins, and essential amino acids. Apparently, they contain 25 times more iron than spinach, 17 times more calcium than milk, 15 times more potassium than bananas, 12 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots, and 9 times more proteins than yogurt. Isn't this impressive? Furthermore, the leaves contain chlorogenic acid that slows down the process of absorption of sugar in the cells. Recently, scientists have found that this amazing plant offers strong anti-tumor and anti-cancer effects, due to the presence of a compound called niacinamide. Therefore, include it in your daily diet, and reap all these amazing health benefits. You can consume the moringa leaves just like all other vegetables, or add them to various dishes at the end of the cooking time. Add moringa leaves to rice, pasta, or salads. Just cut the fresh leaves with the stalks, wash well with water, remove the stalks, and add them to your meals. You can also juice them, fry or steam them in meals, add them to smoothies and shakes, soups and stews, bake them in goodies, and so on. When it comes to drinks, add moringa leaf powder to teas, tonics, and all kinds of go beverages.